Today on the Daily H tutorial, we're in the kitchen again, making breakfast sandwiches. Dylan's down in Australia, so I got Buddy Van Doodle over here, replacement. We got little Doge, master sous chef, and what are we gonna be? List off some ingredients.
Okay, so we got English muffins here. Particular ones are whole grain, whole wheat. Got some good marble cheese. It's always good for Sammy's. Butter, that's for the egg, for the pan. Got some
Ham.
Some more ham. Got some sauces here. That's you know, for personal flavoring. And of course we got our eggs over here. That's a pretty key ingredient.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to effectively put all these together and make something that looks as good as this guy. So, dude, get out of the kitchen, bro. First thing you want to do, oh shit, crack those bad boys down there because you're going to want to double toast them. You got a what?
Yeah, cut the bread.
Oh, okay, we gotta cut the bread before you put it in. Yeah. Now, I say this because they come pre-cut, pre-sliced, but that's bullshit.
No, you don't want that.
Because they uncut even, and then you get your egg hanging half out the side, and it's not good. So you gotta take your time, cut that bad boy nice and even. Well demonstrated. Alright. Next step, turn this bad boy on. Crank that boy to high, get that butter flowing around. Get your pan real hot before you throw anything in it. Alright, this is when things start to get moving quickly here.
It's not hot enough yet.
You gotta wait for your butter to basically boil. And then we're gonna crack an egg in it.
Do you usually break your yolk?
Yeah.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah, must break. Absolutely, otherwise you're asking for a tsunami yellow mess. Then you may have noticed there's no spatula out, which is normally a key utensil for the eggs, but you guys will see what's going on. It's a special part of this whole thing. Alright, now you see the muff came out, but it's still like, it's got no strength or structure or anything, so it's got to go in for round dose.
Alright, crack your egg. Never crack it off the pan, always crack it off either another egg or off a flat object.
Boom.
We're good.
See, it auto yolk exploded. It's mint. That's what we want. While she's still nice and soft and absorbent, we're gonna take some spices, apply liberally because that shit's good. And we're gonna put some pepper on it too. Pepper's always good. And then we're just gonna let that sit and the egg float out nice. We're not gonna try and contain that and make it all Egg McMuffin size because that's bullshit. Just gonna let that thing do its thing. Okay, so you want to wait till your egg's nice and it holds itself nice and it jiggles in the pan. And then you just give her a nice little jostle like that. Boom. You see in the movies they flip this shit like 6 feet in the air. That's bad technique because then your egg splatters everywhere and then your girlfriend's pissed off because you made a mess. No bueno. So you basically just let that guy sit and you can pretty much turn the element off and your egg's done. Alright, so at this point, you want to cancel your Egg McMuffin that went in for round 2, your English muffin, and you just slide that bitch on there real nice. What you can do, toss this guy here, you get 3 slices for maximum coverage, just like that, and we toss the ham in. Once your ham gets nice golden brown and got burn marks on it, that's when you know it's good to go. Toss that on. You want too much because it's gonna like crush the taste. Just like that's probably good. Set the rest aside. Apply the sauces of your choice. In this case today we've got Big Mac sauce on deck and a classic sriracha hot sauce. Alternate technique. Just when you're finished the herb application stage, toss in your ched right in there. Hell yeah, brother. Just let that sit right there and she'll melt right in. Just like it was born that way. So for version 2.0 with the cheese on top, if you don't want to have a cheesy mess in the pan, you just let it cook a little bit longer on the one side before you flip it over. We're just about ready to do that now, so I'm just gonna like let it rip tater chip. Boom. A little more complicated on the toss, but she still gets around. Mint.
Do it for Dale. Let her rip, tater chip.
Hell yeah, brother.
I can taste the bald eagles, boys.